Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to talk about something that's super important for all of us: our teeth and gums. As you know, a healthy smile can boost our confidence and overall well-being. So, let's dive into the top 10 foods that can help keep our teeth and gums in tip-top shape. 1. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt contain calcium and casein, which strengthen tooth enamel and promote healthy gums. Look for low-fat or fat-free options to avoid excessive sugar intake. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in vitamins and minerals that support oral health. They also contain antioxidants that fight against harmful bacteria in the mouth. 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for healthy gum tissue and teeth. They also contain antioxidants that promote gum health. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are high in calcium, vitamin E, and healthy fats that support teeth and gum health. Just be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overconsumption of calories. 5. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health, including oral health. 6. Beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins that promote healthy teeth and gums. They also contain antioxidants that fight against inflammation. 7. Tart cherries. These sweet fruits contain powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the body, including the mouth. They also help fight against harmful bacteria. 8. Fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and promote healthy gum tissue. 9. Sweet potatoes. These nutritious spuds are rich in vitamin A, which supports healthy tooth enamel and gum tissue. They also contain fiber and antioxidants that promote overall health. 10. Green tea. This herbal tea contains antioxidants that fight against harmful bacteria and promote healthy gum tissue. It also helps reduce inflammation and bad breath. And there you have it, folks. These top 10 foods can help keep your teeth and gums healthy and strong for years to come. Remember, a balanced diet and good oral hygiene habits are key to a healthy smile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining your beautiful smile, and I'll see you in the next one.